How to fix Windows 10 search bar not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix the Windows 10 search bar not working. So let's go into the process on how we can fix that issue, but before that don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to fix that issue, if you're having that issue of your search bar not working, you just need to run a command for that. Type in Windows plus R and type in the command that I'm showing on the screen right now. Just copy the command and paste it. After that, OK, click on OK, and that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, just head over to the taskbar and right click on it, open up a task manager, and here you're just gonna look up for Windows Explorer. Here, go there and restart your Windows Explorer, and after the restart is completed, that should probably fix your issue. So that's how you basically fix Windows search bar not working. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.